Hello, and today I'm not going to have an intro because it's not Farming Simulator, and it feels weird to have one that's not Farming Simulator, so yeah. There's a cow. Somebody's been requesting an IRL farm tour, so I'm going to do it. Here's the cattle barn. We have 57 cows in here. They're not ours. We just... Wish that chicken would shut up. Anyway, we have 57 cows. They can go into the main part of the barn. I'll show that. Not sure how much you can see, and I'm not sure how good the quality is, but it's pretty dark. We have the feeder. Have two silos that go into this belt, and we have a grain bin up there to give the cattle feed. We also have a Mustang. Where's the Mustang symbol? I lost it. Well, it's gone on this side, but we have a Mustang skid steer. Almost fell. It's pretty nice. Have bale spears on it. We actually have a different skid steer. It's at the other farm that may be in a different video. But it's pretty nice. Has one lever for steering. Has a foot throttle. We have a New Holland feed grinder. We have chickens in a corn crib because it actually works pretty well. And we have a 4250 with a loader. We have a good old 4020. We got a new seat for that not too long ago. Not even sure if you can hear it. Hear me over the wind. It's so windy out today. And it's a crime, but we have a red grinder, a green tractor, so it will. Here's the front view of it, of the 4250. Wasn't going to, but I felt like it's required to show a go-kart that looks like a race car. Goes like 30 miles an hour. There's the silos. Then here's the barnyard. We also got a Vermeer round baler back here. We have our neighbor's John Deere grinder parked here. And then in there's the cows. And this is where I started the video, right over in there. Now we're inside the barn. And it's like extremely tall. Here's the feed bin that goes down into the feeder. Got a Mack. Its color doesn't match, but we're not going to talk about why it doesn't match. And then we have an International Paystar. Also, well, they're both triaxles. Westfield auger, another Westfield auger, MFS grain bin, another grain bin, and another grain bin. Yeah. And the guy who's the first link in the description, I'm pretty sure he's under the assumption that this is my favorite brand. That's probably going to be it for this video. But yeah, thanks for watching.